If the vanish mode option is not available on Instagram, it could be due to various reasons such as app settings, regional restrictions, or outdated software. So, here is a step by step guide to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So, let's get started. Firstly, check if Instagram supports vanish mode in your country. Some features roll out gradually and may not be available everywhere. If it is not, you may need to wait for the feature to roll out or use a VPN to simulate access for a supported reason. After you are done checking, go to the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Then in the search address bar, search for the Instagram, then simply tap on the enter option available there. Now, once you search for the Instagram, tap on the update option available there. An outdated app version might not have the vanish mode feature, so all you have to do is update it and relaunch the app and check for the vanish mode. If none of the method works, then simply open the Instagram app on your mobile device, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three dashboard at the top, then scroll down at the end and tap on the help option available there. Then tap on the report a problem. Inside report a problem, you can see report without checking option available at the bottom. Simply tap on the report without checking and navigate to the report section. Now here, simply tap on the continue and explain the issue and submit it to the Instagram support team. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.